over to Buenos Aires, please remain seated.
Hola everyone, we're landing in Buenos Aires very soon. And finally, I can get a good night's sleep. Good morning, Buenos Aires. What's our plan today? Let's check out the colorful La Boca. This is the famous Caminito Street with lots of bars and restaurants and of course tango dancing. But that's not enough, let's see some more. Today we're going to explore the downtown of Buenos Aires. Here we are going down the famous July 9th Avenue, the widest avenue in the world. This is the residential area behind a hotel. It's so peaceful. And I love the beautiful Art Deco buildings and history of the area. Look at this beautiful door. If you're interested in authentic Argentina food and coffee in the area, please see the description box below. Today we're going on a day trip to Tigre and cruise the River Delta, also known as the Venice of South America. This is a supermarket boat. If anyone needs anything, they just hang a bag at the pier and the boat will stop by. We are so lucky to find this handicraft market, which is only open on weekend. Oh, this is really beautiful. I'm going to get this.
In order, a scale starts at longest, then left and right.
Well, let's call it a day and have a coffee at this oldest cafe in Argentina. Well, besides coffee, I also love the sandwiches here and the traditional dishes. Please check the description box below for more details. Well, that's it for my Buenos Aires trip. Thank you for watching. Gracias. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Ciao!